Okay. Guys, today I'm going to challenge myself and try to burp the ABCs in 10 minutes. And I did not practice for this, because I did not practice for this, and I didn't practice for this, and yeah. I'm only allowed to make 3 videos a week, so this is the last video I'm allowed to make right now. So, and my head hurts, and I have a headache all day, so I might give up. So right now I'm gonna start
ABCD DFG data JK LM P URS EU
Okay, I think I lost track. Okay, I'm gonna do something else. This is way too hard. You know how sometimes when you're writing down the ABCs and you lose track of where they are, but you're writing it down, but you don't really remember what the ABCs are, and you have to redo it again?
That's my problem.
And that's the real problem I'm having with this, so I guess I should challenge that to myself another time. Okay, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Really, I'm just gonna burp and think about it. How about count to 50 in burps? Yeah. How about 30? Yeah, 30.
1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12. 13, 14. 15, 16.
Oh man, I'm really giving up today. I will not give up. Okay, sorry. I was tired. I don't know what time it is. It's only 5 o'clock. Well,
17, 18, 19. Oh no. 20.
Oh man, guys. I have a gas problem. Oh man, that's better. Oh. Oh man. Well. Man. I got some time to count to 30.
20, 21, 20, 2, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Oh man, dude. I think I need to sleep. Oh man, dude. I feel like I'm weak, and I have a headache. 6 minutes. It took me 1 minute to get to 10. I guess I have 2 more minutes until it's 8 minutes of this video, so I guess I can do 50.
31, 32.
If you kind of heard me, well, about that, never mind.
Let's not do this.
Okay, this is too hard. Ugh. Oh man, this is really hard. Anyway, this is my last video of the week, so I'm gonna make it good. Okay? Okay. Now I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Okay, whatever. I just randomly burp and then might think of an idea. Okay, I might think of something like I don't know. How about I'm gonna choose something. Okay, we have 2 minutes until the 10 minutes are passing, so let's just practice. I'm gonna give you another practice to do those. I'm gonna practice doing my talking burps and sentences, because I know how to do sentences, because that's how masters do it. Yeah! Masters! Okay, I shouldn't have done that, because now I just did something totally stupid. Totally stupid. Oh man. I shouldn't have got the sugar rush. Now it's coming back to me. The reign of terror, sugar rush. Okay, we have 1 more minute of awesomeness, so I'm just gonna say something.
Goodbye, viewers.